Unlocking the secrets of global currencies. Ever wondered which currencies rule the world? Understanding global currencies is crucial for grasping economic dynamics and international trade. It affects everything from your travel expenses to the price of goods on store shelves. Let's dive into this fascinating subject. Currency is a medium of exchange that facilitates trade. It represents value and enables the buying and selling of goods and services. In global economics, currency acts as a cornerstone, impacting inflation, interest rates, and economic stability. Currency has a rich history, evolving from barter systems to coins, paper money, and now digital currencies. This evolution reflects humanity's need for efficient trade methods, shaping economies and societies throughout centuries. Understanding this history helps us appreciate modern currencies. Ranking the top 100 currencies involves criteria like GDP, trading volume, and stability. This ranking provides insights into a currency's global influence and reliability. Knowing which currencies are strongest helps businesses and investors make informed decisions in the global market. The US dollar, USD, stands as a dominant global currency. Its widespread acceptance and stability make it a cornerstone of international trade and finance. The USD's influence stretches across continents, underpinning economic activities and serving as a global reserve currency. The euro is the second most traded currency globally and serves as the official currency for 19 of the 27 European Union countries. It promotes economic stability and facilitates seamless trade across Europe, significantly impacting the continent's economic landscape. The Japanese yen plays a crucial role in Asia's financial markets, being the third most traded currency worldwide. It is a vital reserve currency and influences the region's economies, bolstering Japan's economic strength and stability. The British pound, with a rich history, remains a significant global currency. It symbolizes economic resilience and stability, reflecting the UK's economic prowess. Despite Brexit, the pound continues to hold substantial influence in the global financial system. The Canadian dollar is a key player in North American trade, reflecting Canada's robust economy. It is heavily influenced by commodities, particularly oil, making it integral to the region's economic interactions and a significant currency in global trade. The Swiss franc is renowned for its stability and reliability, often used as a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Switzerland's strong financial system and neutrality contribute to the franc's enduring strength and global importance. The Australian dollar stands as a key player in the Pacific markets, reflecting Australia's robust economy and diverse trade relationships. Its stability and resilience make it a preferred currency for investors and traders looking to tap into the region's opportunities. The Chinese yuan has seen a significant rise in global influence, driven by China's rapid economic growth and expanding trade networks. As China continues to integrate into the global economy, the yuan's role in international transactions and reserves has increasingly become more prominent. The Indian rupee is gaining traction as India emerges as a major economic powerhouse. With its expanding middle class and growing industrial base, the rupee's importance in global trade and investment landscapes is expected to continue its upward trajectory. The Russian ruble holds substantial sway in the energy markets, reflecting Russia's vast natural resources and strategic geopolitical position. Despite facing economic sanctions and volatility, the ruble remains a critical currency for transactions in oil, gas, and other commodities. The Brazilian real plays a pivotal role in South America's economies, underpinned by Brazil's significant agricultural and mineral exports. Its performance is closely watched by investors and traders seeking exposure to the region's diverse economic activities and growth potential. The South African rand plays a pivotal role in African trade, acting as a bridge between diverse economies. Its performance often mirrors the continent's economic health, making it an essential currency for investors eyeing opportunities in Africa's emerging markets. The Mexican peso holds significant sway in Latin America, facilitating trade and investment within the region. Its stability and robust performance are crucial for economic relations with North and South American countries, enhancing Mexico's standing in international trade discussions. The Saudi rial's influence in the oil markets underscores its global importance. As the currency of the world's largest oil exporter, it impacts global energy prices and economic policies, making it a critical player in the international financial landscape. The South Korean won's growth reflects the country's technological advancements and economic dynamism. South Korea's thriving industries from electronics to automotive drive the won's strength, positioning it as a key currency in the global tech market. The Turkish lira impacts Middle Eastern trade, navigating a complex economic landscape. Despite challenges, it remains vital for regional commerce, influencing trade routes and economic ties within the Middle East and beyond, highlighting Turkey's strategic economic role. Emerging market currencies hold immense potential, driven by rapid economic growth and increasing global trade participation. These currencies often reflect the dynamism of their respective economies, offering investors both opportunities and challenges as they navigate volatile yet promising financial landscapes. Countries such as Vietnam, Indonesia, and Nigeria are experiencing notable economic transformations. Their currencies, while sometimes volatile, can offer substantial returns for investors willing to take on higher risks. These markets are becoming increasingly significant in the global economy. Investing in emerging market currencies requires careful analysis and understanding of political and economic conditions. Factors such as government stability, inflation rates, and trade balances can significantly impact currency values, making thorough research crucial for minimizing risks and maximizing potential gains. Technological advancements and increasing foreign direct investment are major drivers for the growth of emerging market currencies. As these nations continue to modernize and expand their infrastructures, their currencies are likely to gain more prominence in the global financial system. Understanding the nuances of these currencies allows for better strategic planning and investment decisions. As global economic power continues to shift, keeping an eye on emerging market currencies can provide valuable insights and opportunities for those looking to diversify their portfolios. The Brazilian real plays a pivotal role in South American economies, facilitating trade and investment in the continent. Its significance is underscored by Brazil's status as a major player in agriculture, energy, and manufacturing, contributing to regional economic stability and growth. The South African rand influences African trade dynamics, acting as a key currency in the region. South Africa's rich natural resources and strategic economic position make the rand crucial for commerce and investment across the continent, driving development and economic cooperation. The Mexican peso holds substantial sway in Latin America, reflecting Mexico's robust trade relationships, particularly with the United States. As a vital currency in the region, the peso supports economic integration, fostering growth and stability through cross-border commerce and investment. The Saudi riyal exerts significant influence in global oil markets, given Saudi Arabia's leading role in energy production. The currency's stability and strength underpin the kingdom's economic policies, impacting global energy prices and fostering economic partnerships within the Middle East and beyond. The South Korean won is integral to the technology-driven growth of Korean markets. South Korea's innovations in electronics and automotive industries bolster the won's importance, making it a key currency in Asia and a driver of technological advancements worldwide. The South African rand is pivotal for African trade, reflecting South Africa's economic status. It's often influenced by commodity prices, particularly gold. Its performance provides insight into broader African market trends and investor sentiment towards emerging market economies on the continent. The Mexican peso plays a crucial role in Latin America, bridging North and South American markets. Its value is closely tied to the U.S. economy, making it a barometer for regional trade health and economic cooperation under agreements like NAFTA. Saudi riyal's significance stems from Saudi Arabia's dominance in global oil markets. As a major oil exporter, the riyal's stability is crucial for energy trade. It also reflects broader economic reforms under initiatives like Vision 2030, aiming to diversify the economy. The South Korean won highlights South Korea's technological prowess. It's a strong indicator of the health of major industries like electronics and automotive. The won's performance is closely watched, reflecting the economic vibrancy and innovation driving Asian market growth. The Turkish lira's value impacts Middle Eastern trade dynamics. Turkey's strategic location and economic policies influence regional commerce. The lira's fluctuations often mirror geopolitical tensions and economic reforms, making it a critical currency for understanding Middle Eastern economic stability. The Mexican peso plays a crucial role in Latin America, acting as a major currency for trade and investment. Its stability and liquidity make it a preferred choice for businesses and investors looking to engage with the region's growing economies. Saudi riyal holds significant influence in global oil markets, underpinning the economy of one of the world's largest oil producers. Its stability and backing by vast oil reserves make it a key currency for energy-related transactions and investments. South Korean won is increasingly important in global technology markets. powered by South Korea's leading tech giants. Its strength reflects the nation's innovation and manufacturing prowess, making it a vital currency for tech industry stakeholders and international trade partners. Turkish lira impacts Middle Eastern trade, driven by Turkey's strategic location and diverse economy. Despite facing economic challenges, the lira remains a central player in regional commerce, influencing trade dynamics and investment flows across the Middle East. Emerging market currencies offer high growth potential, but come with risks. These currencies represent economies with rapid development and significant investment opportunities. Monitoring their performance is essential for understanding global economic trends and identifying lucrative investment avenues. The Canadian dollar (CAD) is a significant player in North American trade, widely recognized for its stability and strong ties to natural resources. As Canada is a major exporter of oil and minerals, the CAD often mirrors these commodities' market movements. The Swiss franc's CHF is renowned for its stability and reliability, often considered a safe haven during economic turbulence. Switzerland's robust financial system and political neutrality bolster the CHF's status, attracting global investors seeking security in uncertain times. The Australian dollar (AUD) plays a crucial role in Pacific markets, driven by Australia's rich natural resources. Its value is closely linked to the mining sector, and it is heavily influenced by trade relationships with key partners like China and Japan. The Chinese yuan (CNY) is rapidly gaining influence in global trade as China continues its economic rise. With initiatives like the Belt and Road, the CNY is increasingly used in international transactions, reflecting China's expanding reach and market power. The Indian rupee (INR) is a growing force in emerging markets, underpinned by India's robust economic growth. As the country continues to advance in technology and services, the INR is becoming more pivotal in regional trade and investment opportunities. The Chinese yuan (CNY) has been steadily gaining influence in global trade. Its strategic importance is underscored by China's massive export economy. The yuan's inclusion in the IMF's special drawing rights basket highlights its growing role in international finance. The Indian rupee (INR) represents a burgeoning economy with significant growth potential. As India continues to develop, the rupee's influence in emerging markets increases. Driven by a large population and technological advancements, the rupee is becoming more integral to global trade. The Russian ruble (ruble) plays a crucial role in the energy markets due to Russia's vast natural resources. Its economic influence is tied to oil and gas exports, making the ruble a key currency for understanding global energy dynamics. The Brazilian real (BRL) is vital to South American economies, reflecting Brazil's status as a regional powerhouse. The real's significance is amplified by Brazil's agricultural and industrial sectors, making it an essential currency in the continent's economic landscape.